Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the currency that Monzo works in. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Monzo is. Monzo is a neobank that offers a variety of financial services, including a current account, debit card, and overdraft facility. It's a great option for people who are looking for a modern and convenient banking experience. What currency does Monzo work in? Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the question of what currency Monzo works in. The answer is that Monzo works in a variety of currencies, depending on where you live. In the UK, for example, Monzo works in British pounds. In the US, Monzo works in US dollars. And in Australia, Monzo works in Australian dollars. So, how does Monzo know which currency to use? Well, Monzo uses your location to determine your currency. When you sign up for a Monzo account, you'll be asked to provide your location. This information is then used to set your default currency. If you travel to a country that uses a different currency, you can easily change your currency in the Monzo app. This is a great feature that makes Monzo a very convenient option for people who travel a lot. What are the benefits of using Monzo in multiple currencies? There are a number of benefits to using Monzo in multiple currencies. One benefit is that you can avoid foreign exchange fees. When you use a traditional bank account to make a transaction in a foreign currency, you'll typically be charged a foreign exchange fee. This fee can be quite expensive, especially if you're making a large transaction. With Monzo, you won't have to worry about foreign exchange fees. Monzo uses real-time exchange rates, so you'll always get the best possible price when you make a transaction in a foreign currency. Another benefit of using Monzo in multiple currencies is that it can help you save money on your travel expenses. When you're traveling, you'll need to exchange your currency for the local currency. This can be a hassle, and it can also be expensive. With Monzo, you won't have to worry about exchanging currency. You can simply use your Monzo card to make purchases in the local currency. This is a much more convenient and cost-effective way to travel. How to sign up for a Monzo account. If you're interested in signing up for a Monzo account, you can do so online. The process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Once you've signed up for a Monzo account, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a copy of your passport or driver's license. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be able to start using your Monzo account. You can order a Monzo card and start making transactions. 1. www.pancakefork.finance. www.pancakefork.finance. Monzo is a great option for people who are looking for a modern and convenient banking experience. It's especially well suited for people who travel a lot or who need to make transactions in multiple currencies. If you're thinking about signing up for a Monzo account, I highly recommend it. You won't be disappointed. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I would also like to encourage you to check out the Monzo website and learn more about their products and services. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Thanks for watching.